Hey guys, I had a surprise come in the mail today. I wasn't sure exactly when it was coming in, but it finally came in today. Got the Lancaster. I opened up the box. This was laying on top of this box, and it's just basically showing their different pins, stuff. Pretty neat. And then Lancaster cast iron, a thank you card. You can pause it and read it if you want to. Pretty cool. It's nice that they do that. Alright guys, here we go. This is the Lancaster number 4. First time opening the box. And look at that. Got a card with my name on it. That's actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and pull this down. I'm gonna pause it just a second to open the envelope. Alright guys, all it was a letter basically saying that this was their first series, and thank you for ordering it, and then they're only doing a limited number like this, and then they're going to start making the ones with the helper handle, but they didn't list the 4 as one that they're going to be re-releasing as if with the helper handle, so I'm not sure if they're going to be making this one with that or not, but I believe so. But we'll get to the skillet. Everything is really pretty on it. Always was wondering why they made a 4 instead of maybe a 5 like some of the other ones, but it's just a little bit bigger than a 3, so that'll help out. So this one looks like it'd be good for just a couple of eggs real quick in the morning, so we'll have to definitely test it out. So also comes with a little card with the first time use and then continued care. But tell you what, that was pretty awesome if they actually wrote my name on that and stuck it in the box. So that's pretty neat. Can't wait to test it out. I've really liked all the Lancasters I got so far, so this one should be no different. I have no doubt that this is going to be an awesome skillet. Hope y'all have a great one.